In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom domain on Gumroad. If you want your Gumroad storefront to live at your own web address, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to make that change inside your account and what to watch for so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Gumroad and signing into your account. You should land on the dashboard. From here, look in the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click that icon to open the account menu. In the menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the place where you control how your Gumroad account behaves. Along the top or side, you'll see different sections. Click Advanced. This section groups the more technical options, including the one we need. On the Advanced page, scroll until you see the Custom Domain area. This is where you connect a domain you already own, so your store can be visited at a branded address. Before you type anything, decide whether you want to use the main domain or a subdomain. For example, you might prefer store.yourdomain.com rather than using the root domain. Either way works. It just depends on how you plan to organize the rest of your website. Click into the field and type your domain exactly as it should appear, without HTTP or HTTPS, and without any extra characters. Avoid trailing slashes or paths. Double-check spelling, and make sure there aren't hidden spaces at the beginning or end of what you typed. When you're confident it's correct, confirm the change using the on-screen option to save. Gumroad will begin verifying the domain you entered. If something doesn't look right, you'll see a message telling you what needs attention. Sometimes it can take a little while for changes associated with a domain to become active, so don't worry if you don't see it working immediately. Give it some time, then try visiting the address you entered to confirm your storefront loads securely. Gumroad will handle the security certificate for you once everything is recognized, so your visitors see the lock icon in their browser. If you ever want to change or remove the domain, just return to Settings, open Advanced, and update the custom domain field. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add a custom domain on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and happy selling. I hope this streamlined your setup and gave you confidence moving forward.